January 2025 Curated Bead Box Mountain Mist. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In this video, we are doing the Curated Bead Box January 2025. I opened it, but I've made sure I pulled it out to where I can't see. That way, kind of be surprised. So here we go. Mountain Mist. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Ooh, earthy. I guess hence the name, Mountain Mist, huh? All right. So first of all, we have a 12mm Jasper gemstone bead. It's a 7/8 inch string. Then we have a 10mm aqua crackle glass bead, 8-inch string. Oh, that's so pretty. Look how it shimmers. Then we have a 10mm brown gemstone style glass bead in a 6-inch string. So that's this little strand. That's pretty. Then next we have 8mm dark blue solid color glass bead and a 16-inch string. So you get quite a bit of those. Then we have 8mm cinnamon jade style glass bead and a 16-inch string. So just like the blue ones. Then we have an 8mm blue gray gemstone style bead and a 10-inch string. And these are not completely round. They're more like an, I guess, a short barrel shape. Kind of reminds me of like an eraser top, but not the color, but the shape. But those are pretty. I like those. Look at the variation in the color. That goes real good with the browns and the blues. They all go together, which that's what they do. They curate these gemstones to go together. And then last of the bigger stones, we have a 6mm golden spot marble style bead and a 10-inch string. Those are really pretty too. I like this collection. Then we have a pack of 6x4mm brown bicone glass beads. It's in a 14-inch string. Mine must have busted. That's why they put that in the bag. And the last of the actual strings is probably my favorite, is a 6mm golden spot marble style glass bead. I love that. Look at that. I love that. Okay, that's it for the beads. Then we have 26x24 silver metal chandeliers. And there's 2 of those, so you can make you some pretty earrings out of that. Then we have 42x16mm key silver metal charms, and there's 3 charms. Actually, there's 6 charms. I don't know why that they've listed them on there. Oh, I see what they've done. Okay. So here's the first set of keys. And here is the second set of keys of the 3. And they're just shaped a little different. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. Then we have 6mm silver metal spacer beads. And these are 15. It's a pretty cool design. Then we have a 30 set of 6mm spacer beads. And then, of course, they always send you a set of the Finding Starter Kit, and it's got crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and lost per clasp. So that is it for January 2025. I don't know if I said 2024 in the beginning. If I did, I'm sorry. But this is January 2025 Curated Bead Box. Again, they are like Bargain Bead Box, similar. They are a bead box company. You subscribe to them monthly and you get a set sent to you. And this is, I think, $20 even. That's taxes and shipping included. And then you can go on their website once you're a member and be able to order stuff off them that's fairly, that's really good prices. And like I say before, you can't go to like Walmart or Hobby Lobby or Michael's or somewhere and try to get this amount that is this quality and pay 20 bucks. That you just can't. So your bargain bead boxes are the way to go. I will leave a link in the description box below. You can click on that and that will take you to their site, and then you can try. I've never got confirmation from them, so I'm not real sure, but you can try to type in APRIL2 or MCCL2 for My Crazy Creative Life and see if that will get you $2 off of your first order. So anyway, that is it. I know I've kind of rushed through this one, but I'm trying to get this made, and that way I can hopefully get several things edited tomorrow. I've got a video I'm getting ready to edit that I finally made something with the Bargain Bead Box, and I will get that out maybe even before I get this one out. Probably will. But hopefully within the next few days, I will get something made with these. These are really pretty. So I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your night, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. I almost forgot to do my close-up. Y'all should have yelled at me. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.